Do you have self-consciousness of where you are now? Of course, you dwell here on the surface of this planet. How would you like to be philosophical every day? Anyway, you got to be philosophical if you wish to have fruitful lifestyle. If you wish to live every day fruitfully, to philosophize the matters of importance is surely important. I'd like you to live according to rationality. What you have as a matter of quite a stage in the sphere of your rationality changes the quality of your life every day. You're breathing here on this planet, in the solar system, in one of innumerable galaxies in the universe. It's a fact. No one denies that. It's a fact. Then, as a matter of your existence, how do you interpret your existence? You are just an infinitesimal being. It's the all. It is an all. Actually, you're facing some sort of small universe as a matter in private. What is the meaning of that? You have microcosm yourself internally as an infinitesimal being. In your brain, you have microcosm. If you understand the meaning of possession of brain, you shall be so positive to philosophize this matter. You need to be perspicacious enough to think of the significance of it. You have microcosm in your brain. This means through sharpening the quality of your rationality, actually you can go anywhere, any place you wish to go. Of course, here on this planet, so many things shall be possible for you to experience. Judging from the immense distances of space, physically speaking, you are one of infinitesimal beings. However, through using your brain, in other words, through using your rationality, you can grasp the whole of this universe. You can grasp the whole of this universe. Simultaneously, you are here to grasp your microcosm or not? Which is bigger? It depends on you. It depends on the quality of your rationality. As a matter of physics, you say so clearly, this universe is quite immense. As a matter of physics, of course, you feel the immense distances of space. It is a natural thing. How about your brain? Do you feel you just have a brain, or here you have microcosm, which is bigger than the universe, rationally speaking? To philosophize this matter gives you an opportunity to think of who you are, how you live for the rest of your life. I hope you find a way to be rational. Moreover, through recognition of the importance of this matter, your microcosm transcends any of existence as a matter of physics. The lecture shall be finished now.